Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what we believe is the best stainless steel curved link chain bracelet set available on Amazon. The VNOX silver chain bracelets for men. If you're into bold, classic, and durable jewelry without breaking the bank, stay with us for the next 5 minutes. This one's worth your time. Let's start with what makes this set stand out. Right out of the box, you're getting 5 distinct bracelets, each with its own unique chain style. Included in this set are a rope chain, a paperclip chain, a Figaro chain, and 2 Cuban link chains. Whether you're dressing up for a night out, layering your streetwear, or going minimal with a single piece, this combo gives you options. The chains can be worn individually or stacked together, giving you versatility without needing to buy separate pieces. These bracelets are crafted from 316L stainless steel, known for being tough, hypoallergenic, and resistant to tarnishing or fading. That's a big plus, because you don't want jewelry that looks good for a week and then turns your wrist green. This material also has a solid weight to it. It feels substantial but not uncomfortable. You know you're wearing something premium without it being bulky or irritating. The bracelet set comes in multiple lengths: 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8.3, and 9 inches, and the one we're featuring here is the 9-inch set. It fits wrists between 7.6 to 8.3 inches, which should cover most men comfortably. The clasp type is a lobster claw, a reliable and secure option that holds up well with daily use. It's simple to use and doesn't come loose like magnetic or hook closures might. One of the more thoughtful aspects of this product is the variation in chain widths and designs. If you're someone who likes a chunkier chain look one day and something more sleek or subtle the next, this set has you covered. And for people new to men's jewelry, this is an easy way to explore what styles you like without committing to a single piece. Now, let's talk about the aesthetic. The silver tone has a clean, mirror polish finish. It reflects light well and adds a sharp detail to your outfit without being too flashy. Whether you're pairing it with denim, streetwear, or business casual, it adds an edge without trying too hard. From a value standpoint, it's hard to beat. For the price, often around $15 to $17, you're getting 5 durable, stylish pieces. That comes down to about $3 per bracelet. If you've shopped stainless steel or fashion jewelry before, you know that's an incredible deal, especially for something that feels this solid. If you're gifting this set, it's a no-brainer. The variety means there's something for everyone's taste. And if you're buying for yourself, it's a great addition to your daily accessories, low maintenance, long-lasting, and very wearable. In summary, the VNOX silver chain bracelets for men is a product that delivers on quality, design variety, comfort, and value. Whether you're upgrading your style game or looking for the perfect gift, this bracelet set is an all-around win. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff breakdowns of the best products on the market. See you next time.